Good day to all. I'm enthusiastic to share with you the types of societies and a unique aspect of society. Before anything else, what is society? Society is a group of individuals living together in a defined territory, sharing a common cultural, economic, and political structures, and interacting through various social institutions such as family, education, religion, and government. Types of societies. According to economic and material system. Pre-class societies, early human societies that existed before the development of social classes and state systems. Example, hunting-gathering and early horticultural societies. Asiatic societies, early and agricultural societies in Asia, where land was commonly owned and the state had centralized control over resources, labor, and irrigation systems. Ancient societies, early civilizations that developed organized governments, social structures, writing systems, and agriculture. Feudal societies, medieval systems where land was owned by lords and worked by peasants in exchange for protection. Capitalist societies, economic systems where private individuals own businesses and resources, and production is driven by profit and market competition. Democratic societies, societies where power is held by the people, usually through elected representatives and free, fair elections. According to evolutionary view, simple societies, small, early communities with minimal social hierarchy, basic technology, and shared rules. Compound societies, larger and more complex than simple societies, with distinct social classes, organized government, and division of labor. Doubly compound societies, highly complex societies with multiple levels of government, diverse institutions, and advanced division of labor across regions and sectors. Militant societies, societies organized around warfare, defense, and military values. Industrial societies represent a stage of social development marked by the shift from agrarian economies to industrial production using machines, advanced technology, and energy sources like steam, coal, or electricity. Post-industrial societies represent the stage after industrialization where the economy shifts from manufacturing to services, information, and technology, according to people's subsistence. Food-gathering societies, early human communities that survive by hunting animals and gathering wild plants. Horticultural societies, early farming communities that grow crops using simple tools and methods like digging sticks or hoes. Pastoral societies rely on the domestication and herding of animals for food, trade, and transportation. Agricultural societies, communities that rely on large-scale farming using tools like plows and irrigation to grow crops. Industrial societies rely on mass production and mechanized manufacturing for their livelihood. Post-industrial societies or information societies, societies where economic activity is focused on services, information, and technology rather than manufacturing or agriculture.
Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about something we all experience but often overlook, our economic system.
The Philippines is a mixed economic system, which means that government and private businesses play roles in our economy. You'll see sari-sari store on every corner, but also government programs like For Peace, helping the poorest of the. One unique aspect are overseas Filipino workers. Millions of Filipinos work abroad, sending back remittances that keep families afloat. It pumps billions of money into our economy. But here's the challenge. Where remittances help, we also need to create more jobs here at home. That's why supporting local businesses, investing in education, and promoting innovation are so important. Our economy isn't perfect, but it's growing, and it's up to us, to you, to shape it.